Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add donations. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. Now, there's a couple things that you would want to mean by this. I'm going to go ahead and explain a couple of them. If I leave one out, make sure to put them down in the comments and I'll hopefully help you be able to cover that. So, a couple different ways you add donations. When you are doing this in general, you just need to make sure that you have donations enabled on whatever it is that you are going to be streaming from, which for me, it's Twitch, right? So I'd go to my creator dashboard on Twitch, make sure that I have my donations enabled, and then whenever I use my stream key to go ahead and stream to Twitch, then it'll automatically have those donations on. But let's say you wanted those donations to, I don't know, maybe give you an alert, right? So what you want to do is head over to your Twitch, head over to your channel dashboard, which is where I'm at right now. Go to your alert section, create a new alert box, go to either bits or goals or whatever, gifted subscriptions, whatever you want to add it for, and then find this little thing right here, and then you can go ahead and edit it. Let's say I don't want it to be a heart. I could go to the image library and change it to whatever I want, text, speech, layout, all that other sorts of stuff, right? And this is like a couple different options that you have. And then if I wanted to add this to my OBS, I would just go ahead and press copy in this bottom right corner for the browser source URL. And then just head over into my OBS like so, press plus, add browser, okay, and then change the URL to the gifted URL or the goal URL. And then now when I press send test alert, okay, it appears just like that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.